Click on the subscribe button to watch more videos on my YouTube channel, and also click on this bell icon to get all notifications on your mail.
Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain about the action recorded on the managing toolbar. You can observe on the home, insert, Android parametric on the view. On the right side you can observe the manage and click on that manage, and I want to explain about the action recorder in this tutorial, and the record and some of the features I will explain how to adjust the settings. And let's get started. After that you can observe this type of screen will appears on the manage. I want to explain about the record. First I want to give the one of the example. I am drawing the one of the rectangle by using the rectangle command of the length and the width by using the D enter. Dimensions 100, length and the width is 50, all dimensions are in mm. This is the template of metric format, imperial in metric, Auto-Cad, and the one of the rectangle is completed. I want to give the one of the circle by using the circle operation, C enter, and specify the diameter of the circle. I am giving the diameter of the circle is 30 diameter, all them mm in the millimeters, and one of the object is completed. And go on to the action recorder and select that. You can observe the different types of action recorder and deleting the file. If you want to record this, what are the operations you perform, and simply you can observe the red mark. This is the recording option. This is recording. The recording is on. You can observe the same. I want to prepare the rectangle same as previous, and using the rectangle I am giving the O snap. For example, it will appear. See the rectangle. I am giving the same as diameter 100 and the 50. What I prepared in the before, and the dimensions, and the one of the rectangle is completed. This command operations and the 150 you can observe on the action tree of the action recorder. You can observe the action tree, and you can also create the one of the circle. Again you can observe the what are the operations performing with the axis. It will appears with respect to the axis, how the minus x axis and the minus y axis, x axis and plus y axis and y axis. You can observe the with the all of the data. You can observe the action tree and stop. I want to stop this recording with the rectangle. I want to stop the one of the, you want to save the file, and I'm giving the action macros of the command name. I'm the recording file 1 like this, and in description you want to give the any description of the project you can give, and click on OK. You can observe on the record file 1 is located on the, you can observe. I want to play this. What are the operations record file? You can observe the close complete. See, this is recording. I will show you on play. Because the OSNAP is on that setting, then only it will appears like this. And I want to delete this OSNAP. You can delete the OSNAP setting. You can also the different types of commands also you can delete by using the right click. I can see observe the record file. You want to delete this again, I will show you. See, select the record file of the what are you created on the previous, and select the record file and click on play and click on close. You can see the recorded option of the object will appear of the any of the drawing. You can save by using this action recorder. Is very helpful tutorial for the Auto-Cad with the simple of something of one of the drawing I explained, and I will give the full detail of the action recorder. And go into the action tree. I want to select this the axis of the, and insert user manager and the pass our user input. We want to pass our user input. What will appear, I will explain you. See the full tutorial, and I am selecting the pass for user input, and select this and click on play. On the multiple you can create what are the objects you created of the record file. What you say by using the user input pass, you can attach the different types of objects at a time of the multiple n number of times. You can observe this by using the user interference off, and go into the these different types of file I created. For example, this is the action tree. This is a passer for user input. You can uncheck the mark also. Then again I'm going to the axis and go into the command. For example, I want to change the like this, insert user manager, and you want to give the description also what will appear. I'm going to the rectangle and you can observe the insert user manager and go on to the insert user manager on the rectangle. I want to give the pick user message. I am giving the pick at insertion. I am giving like this and pick at insertion and click on OK. You can observe the play button. You can observe the dialog box will appear. You can ask the play of the action micro. See, at the insertion point you can observe the different types of what are the file is created. You can create the different types of files like this by using the user input manager. You can observe the different types of rectangles and circles on the screen, and the insert message user and the user input you can pass are on, and this is the appears the dimensions. You can observe the user pass or user input on the top also you can observe, and the message you want to give the any message to the drawing in which time it will appears, and you can observe this. And action recorder preferences, you can uncheck the mark expand and playback is required. You can select this, check the mark and click on OK. Then it will appears like this. And different types of action macro manager, how it will help you, I will show you. And go on to the modify. You want to change the name of the file, you can change the modify, and you want to rename also, you can give the rename. And go on to the copy also, you can copy the object like this, what are the record file, and go into the options. You can option tab will appears where the file is located. You can observe the on plus symbol, you can select this, what are the where it is located. It is sudo PC like this, some of the file is located on that location. You can browse the file and you can say you can import the file also. It is possible by using the action recorder. This is the best tutorial for the helpful for the beginners, and thanks for watching my tutorial. This is the action recorder.